Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are doing the return of sinking ship survival. Here we have the M.V Wellington. It's a car ferry. We might have a little bit of a short video here for you today. We're a little bit on a time crunch, but it's gonna be a good one. So Random has tasked me. If you don't know who Random is, he made this boat. Okay. We are gonna push the wrong way by the winds, which is not good. Random's upload made this boat, and if you'd like to check it out, I should have a pinned comment. I can't pin things, but I should have a comment down below. So go check that out, and while you're down there, maybe hit that like button. Maybe give me some, and maybe comment some of your ideas. Oh, we got the new flag pieces. Wait, I want to see this. I haven't really seen. I haven't really played around with the flag pieces. Oh, we got Bran. I'm sorry if I got that wrong. I think it's Bran. Oh. Okay. I think we have an engine failure. Random did not do a good job keeping the engine. Oh, engine troubles. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm gonna relieve the engine a little bit. Oh no. Okay, we're having lots of engine troubles. This is not good. Oh, is it gonna go down? Keep it steady. We need to get to our destination though. We have to. We gotta deliver these cars. I'm gonna close that. You never know what happens. We're only going 20 knots. I need miles per hour. That's America. Come on. Okay, we're gonna gun it. Oh no! Yes. Should you? No. Okay. This is an awesome boat, by the way. I'm sad we don't have time to fully check it out. Are we sinking? Well, let's see if we have water in the middle, basically. I don't know. Yee. Explodes. I guessed it. Yes. This is not going well. We need to make it to shore very soon here. Uh-oh. Get the welders. Oh wait. This. The ship was made in the 90s. You do that? Oh gosh, the captain has lots of jobs. Oh, that's not good. Close all watertight doors. Oh yeah. There's locks everywhere. Oh, I wonder why. Why is it so locked? Okay, we need to find, we need to find the welders. It says at fire stations. That's not fire. That's not fire station. Go. Where are the fire stations? Tell me, mister. Oh, he is almost dead. That's not where I want to go. That's out there. I'll prepare lifeboats. Okay. Yeah, I don't think lifeboats will be able to handle these waves. Alright, where's the fire station? I have no clue. Let's do that a little bit, because why not? Where are the fire stations? You didn't tell me where to look. What should I call Equin? No, not Equin. Random. Oh, we got salt! Okay, when you're desperate, you gotta get your salt and pepper. You gotta have that. Cause you don't know what you're eating. But it gotta taste good, you know? Okay, that's him catching. I can't find any fire stations. I have to go down. How do I go down? Oh, I saw a sign that said fire. That says life. I can't read. I can't. I think. Oh, the plants. Those look cool. The trees. The mini trees. Okay, you know what? Oh, I was gonna jump over. Fire stations. Oh! Oh, we definitely are. Oh, no. Fires. I don't think we need to put out a fire. We need to consume. I'll add to the chaos. Why not? Yeah, let's get this thing watery. Let's make this a water park. Yeah, water time. Oh my. Oh, mates. Okay. Okay. Go, go, go. I gotta make it back up before this thing floods. I have an idea to make this. I think my idea could change everything in a bad way. I'm gonna try and sink it. I will not accept. Oh, he's flashing his light. Oh, I was gonna open the car doors. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. I'm just gonna take advantage that he's doing this stuff. I'm gonna go third person so I don't get dizzy. See ya. No, I'm not calm. See ya. See ya. Oh no. Oh yeah, he is lowering me. Wait. Ah! Hey! You gotta lower me down. Yes. No! Oh, I'm gonna drown! No! No, 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 no. Flipped! No! No! Get back here! Oh no. Hunker down. These waves are gonna be brutal. The engine's flooded anyway if I can get this thing flipped over. Ah! No, that's a big wave. Oh. The water does look nice. They updated the water. Oh god. No. The boat is sink. No! Okay. Let me see if I can get a thumbnail. Ah, boat chasers. Well, I should get one with the wave hitting it. I need to work on my thumbnail skills. I don't know if you could tell. Ooh, that would have been it. Okay. Right when it goes over. That one, and then that one. Okay, good. I must get my thumbnails. I need to post it. I'll get millions of views. Come back. Oh no, it's a big wave. Jump over it. No. No. I need to do my strobe. My budget strobe light. Budget strobe light work. Oh no, I dropped it. My strobe light. Strobe. No, get back on the boat. Oh! Lightning striked while I was in the water. How am I not dead? I should have gotten electrocuted. Cough, cough. Get back here. Yay. He's coming. For you. No. Oh no. Wait. He's coming. He's coming for me. No. Get on the boat. Get on the boat. Oh, it flipped. It flipped. No. Kraken's gonna eat me. No, I had it flip. Oh god. Let's unleash our underwater submarine. Oh. Wait. He's not. Our underwater submarine has saved us out. Oh my gosh. Look at that thing. It's cracking. Ah. This would be a good thumbnail. Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome. Oh, that's good. That's good. And that's how I just get excited over thumbnails. Oh, he's about to get him. That's a good one too. I have to decide over what thumbnail I think is the best. I'll do that later. I got some good thumbnails, so. I want to see where random is. Is he standing on the top? Where is he? Oh, that's him. That's his. Oh, he unleashed the lifeboat. They all flipped. Poor guy can't even unleash a lifeboat. He's just standing there. He's accepting his defeat. Oh, the Kraken just hit. Did he? Wait, where is the Kraken? The Kraken's probably calling back up. Oh, here he is. He's coming in. He's coming in for a strike. Oh no, this is. Oh, geez, that Kraken should be dead. Oh, it's now nice and sunny. Uh-oh. I gotta get these thumbnails. What's he gonna do? He's just standing there. A lifeboat's not gonna work. Oh look, we're close to land. Wait, where even am I? Oh god. Oh! Oh, I don't want to do that. Can I get the lifeboat to flip? Oh. I think the power just went out or something. That's what it sounded like. No, flip! Flip! This is actually cool though. I can almost flip the lifeboat. I mean, if this was real life, I'd just grab it. But Stormworks is not real life. Sadly, I wish I could do this all day long. I don't want the Kraken. Yeah, I wonder how it's doing for random. How you doing? How you doing? Right over here. Oh, he probably did it so he can unleash a lifeboat. Come on. Come on. Come on. And then, like, just cheat. Oh. Remember when I, like, went inside the lifeboat? It flipped it? I'm just finding all sorts of ways to flip this thing now. Yep. Nope. So, we in? Yeah, I don't think this went too well for random. The Kraken's falling. Oh, he's eating the boat. He's eating it. We need like a rifle. Where's the rifles? That's what we need. Oh, he just in here. I don't think that's gonna work, buddy. I don't think so. I want this thing. Oh, it's flipping. It's flipping. Owie. Yeah. Better be. Ow. Let it sink. Okay. Let it sink. Let it sink. Let it sink. Why don't you flip? Wait, what if I, like, go on the seat? It's like 50 mass, right? Wait. Oh, wrong way. Yes! Wait, no! Back up. No! Go back on the seat. It, like, just goes up. It's gonna do it again. Come on, flip. Well, now I know if I ever, in a lifeboat in real life, need to flip it, just sit in it. Oh. The boat might not be having the same outcome as me. Might not. I don't think it's going too well. Is that Barracuda? Okay. Flip. Do your magic stuff. Oh no, I'm drowning. Get out! Get out! No! Oh, it's lagging? Is it lagging? I think it's lagging. Get out, get out. Kick me. I think that's him over there. Nah. Get over here. Dun, Kafka. You left me. I left you. No. Get back here. No, mine wouldn't flip over. Is there another one? No, there must be another one. No, he ditched all of them. He ditched all of them, so I couldn't have one. Oh wait, there's these. Rah. Rah. Oh no. He died from the props. I have an idea. So, thanks for watching. I think we're probably gonna end it here pretty soon. But before we do, though, I wanna asteroid strike a little boat. Is that him? No, that's not him. He's not flipped. Is this him? This is him. I need to make sure he doesn't notice me. Oh, I fell through the map. That's fine. Do that, and then there. Look at that. Wait. I might not be stupid. Is there has to be connection points, right? Yeah. Where are they? Wait. In here. Oh. So, thanks for watching, and, I'll see you in the next one, I guess. Bye!